turnbuckle. Becky Lynch, manhandle slam on the apron. Becky Lynch is the world champion.
Have you ever wondered what kind of supercars a WWE superstar like the man Becky Lynch drives when she's not stealing the show in the ring? Beyond her legendary wrestling career, Becky has a taste for high-performance, stylish, and powerful vehicles. Her car collection features everything from American muscle cars to high-end luxury SUVs. Buckle up as we take an exclusive look into the incredible supercars that fuel her passion for speed, luxury, and adventure. Welcome back to Wheels of Fame, where we showcase the flashiest rides of the world's biggest athletic stars. Becky Lynch, born Rebecca Quinn, has become a trailblazer in WWE, redefining women's wrestling with her fearless attitude and undeniable talent. As the man, she exudes confidence, power, and a larger-than-life presence that has earned her millions of fans worldwide. But beyond her legendary career in the ring, Becky has another passion: high-performance automobiles. Her collection of supercars and luxury vehicles is a reflection of her dynamic personality. Just as she dominates opponents with precision and intensity, she also enjoys cars that embody speed, power, and cutting-edge design. Whether it's the aggressive roar of an American muscle car or the sleek elegance of a high-end European supercar, Becky's garage showcases a mix of performance and style. In this video, we'll explore some of the standout vehicles that make up Becky Lynch's enviable collection, highlighting the features, significance, and unique stories behind each one. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Dodge Charger. The Dodge Charger is a perfect fit for Becky Lynch, reflecting her fearless and dominant presence in WWE. This American muscle car is known for its bold design, aggressive stance, and incredible power, making it a standout in her collection. As a high-performance sedan, the Charger offers both speed and practicality, allowing Lynch to enjoy the thrill of the road while maintaining everyday usability. Under the hood, the Dodge Charger packs a 5.7-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine, delivering an impressive 370 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque. With this kind of power, the Charger can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. Whether she's cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, this beast ensures an exhilarating driving experience. Beyond performance, the Charger features a comfortable and modern interior with advanced tech, including a premium infotainment system, customizable digital displays, and driver assist features. Priced at around $40,000, it delivers exceptional value for a muscle car of its caliber. Land Rover Range Rover. Becky Lynch's Land Rover Range Rover is a perfect representation of her balance between power and elegance. This luxury SUV is known for its commanding presence, premium craftsmanship, and incredible off-road capabilities. Whether she's navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path, the Range Rover delivers a smooth and controlled ride, making it a fitting choice for the man. Under the hood, the Range Rover boasts a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine that produces 395 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Despite its size, the Range Rover handles impressively well, offering a comfortable yet dynamic driving experience. Inside, the Range Rover exudes luxury, featuring high-quality leather seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and advanced driver assist technologies. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers and cargo, making it a practical yet stylish choice for Lynch's active lifestyle. With a price tag of approximately $91,000, the Range Rover is a testament to Lynch's success and refined taste. It seamlessly blends luxury with rugged capability, embodying both strength and sophistication. Chevrolet Silverado. Becky Lynch's Chevrolet Silverado brings a tough, no-nonsense attitude to her car collection, perfectly aligning with her fearless and determined persona in the ring. As one of the most reliable and capable pickup trucks on the market, the Silverado is built for power, utility, and adventure. Whether she's using it for hauling, road trips, or simply enjoying the commanding presence of a full-size truck, the Silverado stands out as a versatile choice. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Silverado is powered by a 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. With a 10-speed automatic transmission, this truck provides smooth handling and acceleration, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. It also boasts a top speed of 114 miles per hour, proving that a truck can offer both utility and solid performance. Inside, the Silverado offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with modern technology, including an advanced infotainment system, premium audio, and a range of driver assist features. Priced at around $50,000, it's a rugged yet refined addition to Lynch's collection, showcasing her appreciation for durability, strength, and reliability, both in the ring and on the road. Jeep Wrangler. Becky Lynch's Jeep Wrangler is the perfect addition to her collection. Known for its rugged build and legendary off-road capabilities, the Wrangler is a go-to choice for drivers who love exploration and durability. Whether she's hitting the trails or simply enjoying a commanding presence on the road, this SUV offers the perfect blend of strength and versatility. Under the hood, the Jeep Wrangler features a 2.9-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers 197 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. While it may not be the most powerful SUV in her collection, it excels where it matters most, off-road. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension, the Wrangler is built to handle the toughest terrains. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds, with a top speed of 112 miles per hour. Beyond performance, the Wrangler's interior is designed for comfort and practicality. It features a user-friendly infotainment system, durable materials, and removable doors and roof for an open-air driving experience. Priced at approximately $35,000, this SUV showcases Lynch's appreciation for adventure, resilience, and the freedom to take the road less traveled. Ford Kuga. Becky Lynch's Ford Kuga is a testament to her appreciation for practicality, efficiency, and everyday comfort. Known as the Ford Escape in the US, this compact SUV blends European engineering with modern technology, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and long road trips. While her collection boasts powerful muscle cars and rugged off-road vehicles, the Kuga represents a more refined and functional side of Lynch's automotive tastes. Under the hood, the Ford Kuga offers a variety of engine options, including a 1.5-liter EcoBoost petrol engine and a 2.0-liter diesel variant, both designed to deliver a balance of power and fuel efficiency. Some models even feature a plug-in hybrid system, making it an environmentally conscious choice without compromising performance. With horsepower ranging from 148 to 225, the Kuga provides a smooth and responsive drive, ideal for city streets and highways alike. Beyond performance, the Ford Kuga boasts a comfortable and tech-savvy interior, featuring a user-friendly infotainment system, premium seating, and advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Priced at around $30,000, this compact SUV reflects Becky Lynch's preference for a well-rounded vehicle that offers reliability, style, and modern convenience for everyday use. Becky Lynch's supercar collection is more than just a display of wealth. It's a reflection of her dynamic personality, versatility, and passion for automobiles. From the raw power of the Dodge Charger to the rugged dependability of the Jeep Wrangler, each vehicle in her garage tells a story about her lifestyle, ambitions, and love for driving. Whether she's cruising in the luxury of her Range Rover or embracing the practicality of her Ford Kuga, every choice showcases a different facet of the man beyond the wrestling ring. Her collection highlights not only her appreciation for high-performance machines, but also her need for versatility. Whether tackling off-road terrain or enjoying a powerful muscle car, Lynch's choices prove she values both adventure and style. If you found this look into Becky Lynch's car collection fascinating, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the incredible lives and passions of your favorite WWE superstars and celebrities.